Understanding, just starting out, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, just starting out. This is a common phrase used in everyday English conversations, and understanding it can really help you in grasping the nuances of the language. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of just starting out. The phrase, just starting out, is used to describe someone who has begun a new activity or a new phase in their life, but is still in the very early stages. It implies that the person is a beginner or novice and has a lot to learn or experience in that particular area. This phrase can be applied to various contexts, such as a job, a hobby, or even life events. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples in different scenarios. In a career context, she's just starting out in her career as a graphic designer. Learning a skill, I am just starting out learning Spanish, so I know only a few basic words. In sports, he's just starting out in professional football, playing for a local club. These examples illustrate how the phrase is used to indicate the beginning stages of an activity or journey. It's also helpful to know some synonyms or similar phrases. Here are a few. Beginning, starting from scratch, in the early stages. Newcomer, knowing these can enhance your vocabulary and help you express the same idea in different ways. When using just starting out, make sure not to confuse it with phrases that imply expertise or a high level of experience. It's specifically about being at the start of something, not in the middle or at the end. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, just starting out, and how to use it correctly in different contexts. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and you might be just starting out now, but with practice, you'll soon become proficient. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.